Hi everyone, today I'm answering the question, is it risky to eat soy? So soy contains phytoestrogens, which resemble estrogens present in the human body. Because of that, people are scared to eat soy because they are scared that it could have hormonal effects. It has been a controversial subject for a long time, but in recent years a lot of studies have been made and they clearly show that it is safe for everyone to eat soy. It does not affect fertility in men, and even women that survive breast cancer or that are under hormonal therapy can eat up to 3 servings of soy per day. So for example, a serving is 1 cup of soy milk or 3/4 of a cup of soybeans or 150 grams of tofu. In fact, eating soy-based foods could even help prevent breast cancer. It could help reduce the severity and frequency of hot flashes in menopause women. It could even be beneficial for bone and heart health. And soy contains a lot of nutrients such as protein, fibers, good unsaturated fats, and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron. For ideas of recipes using soy-based foods, visit our website. Don't hesitate to leave us your comments and to share this video. Thank you.